Howdy, folks. I was in the mood for some scalloped potatoes, so I was researching some recipes, and I saw that the very best scalloped potatoes contain a secret ingredient, and that secret ingredient is coffee creamer. So we're gonna make coffee creamer scalloped potatoes. I heard they're good. In a pan, we need 1.5 cups of that dry coffee creamer and 3.5 cups of water. Whisk until combined. I'm gonna turn it to medium and add a stick of melted butter and 6 tablespoons of flour. Whisk to incorporate the flour. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of dried minced onion, a little salt, a little pepper, and some paprika. I'm gonna bring it to a boil for a couple minutes until it thickens. It's nice and thick. Time to remove it from the heat. And I'm gonna add a pound of cubed ham. Doesn't that look good? We're gonna slice 6 to 8 potatoes very thin. I'm putting half the potatoes in the bottom of a casserole dish. Pour half of that creamy mix on top of the potatoes. Then comes more potatoes. Then comes the rest of that sauce. Cover with sharp cheddar cheese. Cover with foil. I'm gonna bake this at 350 for 70 minutes covered. Then I'm gonna uncover it and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Coffee creamer scalloped potatoes. Very interesting. Love the potatoes. The creaminess is perfect. And the ham really adds to it. Nice touch. Well, thank you so much for joining me here on Jim's Kids Kitchen. You can try unique things too. Do it. I'd really like to get myself a pet termite. And I'd name him Clint. Clint eats wood.